Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video update. Week ending Friday, January 24th. Of course, Monday was closed, so shortened 4-day week. Let's do a little quick recap of the week and then we'll jump into my trades. Starting with the S&P, another week of up moves, except for today. And SPX did hit a new all-time high today, 61.28 ticked within the first 20 minutes of the day before a little bit of a sell-off. ES has not gotten back up to all-time highs, but that's also including the roll. So just under all-time highs in the ES futures. NASDAQ tech staying a little bit weaker. Hasn't made its way quite back up there. If we look at NDX, just below its all-time highs. Small caps, Russell continue to lag a little bit weaker. And the Dow almost back up to all-time highs as well. Gold got very close today to all-time highs. Got up to almost 2,800 and all-time highs 2,801.8. Silver pretty much sideways for the week. Notes and bonds pretty sideways. 10-year yield settling in at 4.617. Also pretty sideways. Oil slid down from over 80, finished at about $74.50 per barrel. Natural gas, a little up and down. Soybeans, up and then sideways to end the week. Wheat, up and back down. Corn, a little bit stronger, kind of up and then trended sideways. The euro and the pound versus the dollar were stronger, so U.S. dollar getting a little bit weaker. And Bitcoin ticked a new all-time high on, what was that, Monday? And then is traded kind of sideways below all-time highs for the remainder of the week. All right, so that's the market. Let's take a look at my trades. Really good week. Really good start to 2025. I'm feeling good about the start so far. So I broke these down into categories, 0 and 1 DTE. So a little over 5,600 on those. I had 1, 2, 3, 1 DTEs that I did not transform, that I just booked profits on. So that's showing here. The rest are reverse iron condors and price action iron condors. So pretty good overall. On my BICs, I just do these per day since I do multiple tranches. I had a really good Monday and Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday and Friday were a little bit red, but still plus 5,200 for the week. Price action BICs, just one for plus 280. Woogas, end of day, just a couple small ones, plus 855. Mahomes, small winner, plus 390. Had one trade that was pretty close to a pin. The other ones were decent wins. Calendar's a little bit of a red week, minus 3,800. Took some hits on a 1-2 and a 5-7 and a 6-7. Did book a nice profit on a 6-7 put calendar today. One decent winner, one small loser. And then these are open for next week. So hopefully, I typically don't even trade on a shortened holiday week, but I went ahead and traded small. And you can see, actually the 1-2, I consider just the overnight weekend ones, the ones I don't trade usually on a holiday Monday, but I did small. 5-7 and 6-7 were losers. 4-7 tiny winner. So just better not to trade those, to be honest. I just decided to go a little bit light because it wasn't a big holiday, but did not work out well. So a little bit red on calendars. Transformers, 2 trades. Both were 1 DTEs. One hit for 1,680. One was a minimum profit for plus 180. So total 1,860 on the week. Option selling. These were trades that were a little bit longer duration, but they closed this week. So a little over 2,000 on a couple of VRRs and VXX and a broken wing fly and SPX that just expired today. Day trades, plus 1931 on the week. Seems decent, but the fact that I was up over a couple thousand every single day of this week. It could have easily been 8 to 10,000. So gave a lot back. It was actually, and to be fair, it was pretty challenging price action. Just a lot of whippiness. Didn't get a whole lot of follow through. On the positive side, I've continued to manage risk really well. Just wanting to make sure I don't take a loss more than $1,000 on these trades. I had one that was 1,000, and there's a 936. So you can see I'm doing really good at managing that risk. It's amazing what happens when you manage the risk. The rest takes care of itself. But still positive, plus 19. And then on other, I had a pre-earnings broken wing fly on Netflix and a post-earnings VRR. Both the VRR was tiny winner, and then 1,200 on the fly, so plus 1,266 on my other trades. So total of a little over 15K on the week total, and just a really good start to 2025 in general. So the month ends next week, so I'll do a monthly recap after the last day of the month to cover all that. But overall, a good week. Hope everybody had a good week, and hope everybody has a good weekend. Go Chiefs, AFC Championship, beat the Bills. Cheers. Take care.